Hey y'all, it's Stephanie with Carrie. We've sold over 1 million of these key fobs since 2011. We've helped countless number of customers know exactly what to do after they purchase that key fob online. In today's video, we're going to show you the exact process it takes to get your new key fob up and running without any stress. So you've got your new key fob, but that's just the start. The first thing is to figure out whether you can program it yourself or if you need a professional. If you're on our website, simply scroll down and enter your car's make, model, and year for those programming instructions. If you're watching elsewhere, check the link in the description to our programming instructions page. You'll find everything you need step by step. If you need professional help, don't worry, we've got you covered. Visit our Resources tab to access the Locksmith locator. Simply enter your city and state and find a trusted locksmith near you. There's also a direct link to the locator in the description. Now that you know your programming options, the next question is probably going to be, how much does it cost for a professional to do it? Dealerships usually charge $300 to $500 or more, depending on your vehicle. A local locksmith is often a more affordable option, typically charging $75 to $150. They're also more flexible and convenient, with many even offering on-site programming. No matter what route you choose, we're here to help. Visit keyfobs.com to purchase a key fob, find programming instructions, locate a locksmith, and shop our accessories. Let's get your key fob working today.